Assalamualaikum. In this video, we are going to discuss Archimedes principle. Look at the apparatus here. Here we have spring balance, and we have an object here. Now the object is in the air, and the weight shown here is the actual weight. And then we have the object in water. The object is submerged in water completely in this case. Now the spring balance shows the apparent weight. Now, since the object is submerged in water, it will displace some water, and water is collected in the beaker. Okay, the water in the beaker will be measured by the electronic balance, and it will show you the mass of the liquid, of the displaced liquid or water, if you use water as a liquid. And then when we already got the number of mass, the reading shows the mass of displaced water, we can apply in this formula. Then we will be able to find what is the weight of water displaced. Okay, weight of water displaced. And weight of water displaced is actually equal to apparent loss in weight, because we know in the air the actual weight is greater than apparent weight when the object is submerged in the liquid. So there is some apparent loss, and actually the apparent loss is equal to the weight of water displaced, as mentioned in Archimedes principle. And the weight of water displaced also means buoyant force. Okay, buoyant force acts upward like this, buoyant force. And the formula for buoyant force is V rho G. To make it clearer, let us write here L means volume of liquid displaced, and density of the liquid, and G is gravitational acceleration. And then when we have all this value, actually we can write an equation like this: apparent weight equals actual weight minus buoyant force. You can manipulate the formula in order to find what is the value required by the question. And remember this, I put them out here. Here we need to read this. Weight of water displaced here means the weight of water displaced excluding weight of the beaker. So we do not take into account the weight of the beaker. So if the question gives you the value of total mass liquid and the beakers, you need to subtract the value of mass of beaker in order to find what is the mass of liquid displaced. Then you can use the formula to find what is the weight of water displaced.